Hi, folks. Now, everybody knows old meat and quail. All right. I do bake twice a week, and this is a week old bread. Still working on the yellowness. I just can't get the damn thing to raise right. Now, the split drifted over to here. It's supposed to be right here, and it kind of lopsided. I did get everything right. You asked Anthony of Palmetto Prepared how hard it is to bake bread. Okay, yes, there is a yellow tinge to it. That's from duck eggs. Now, everybody remember my garden videos, those boxes? I'm trying to hold this up so I don't spill over it. Those are the microgreens that I steamed and added a little soy sauce and vinegar and sesame seeds. That's a small type of salad because Uncle Alan knows how to cook. And another thing is, I live in a suburb association, still rural, still nice. I got all the benefits of a city, but yet I still have benefits of the country. I cannot build a bonfire, get cold, and use my Dutch ovens. And that's a big no-no, especially with the smog people. I live in Cali, boony part of Cali, but I still live in Cali. Now, a lot of people say, Uncle Alan, you sent Anthony that recipe. Yes, if you don't use the, I wish I had a better camera. My other one just went to pot. And you see, Anthony, steam a little greens to put on top. Can you tell what kind of greens that is? I do have broccoli in it. It's the flour soup. The meat is chicken thighs. I have potatoes and carrots from my root cellar. It's actually a box outside in the ground. Okay, and I got gravel on top of it. So nobody can tell where the hell it is. And it's raining outside. So Uncle Alan's showing you this, simple ingredients, flour, water, little fat, and I got a nice healthy stew. Yeah, a little bit of um, what you call it, either potato starch or rice starch to thicken. I used the roux, that's roux, butter and flour to make the base. Pre-cooked all the vegetables and the chicken. Added the broth to the roux. Okay, let me show you it again. A lot of people, because I don't have a camera, I don't have any equipment, I don't have a crew, so it's a little hard. And also, Uncle Alan has glaucoma, is on a cane, and try to hobble around the kitchen. You try that. Okay, whoops, I don't want to spill on my computer. But see how nice that comes out? I got nice carrots, and I got chicken thighs, and I got a type of green on top for garnish. Nothing canned. Came from my cook's pantry. Now, a lot of you people don't cook out there. I will. And that's one skill that you want to have. You cannot open pouches all the time. You need to cook. You don't want to be eating Vienna sausages 24/7. You need to cook. Excuse me. Okay, now I was going to show you a dirty trick, but we're going to test this thing out. This is from 2008. It's about, I think, 12 years old. Let's open it up. And you can tell it's the good ones because it had string. Now they have ribbons, and it's still fairly good. So there's no cloudiness. It's been kept in a cache for about 12 years. Let's see. Oh yeah, you can see it. That's still good. 12 years old. All right, and let me double check. This one was the last American-made one from Coleman, not China. Coleman from Ohio. Okay, all rights reserved, made in Ohio, USA. Let's turn off the light a little bit. 12-year-old light stick from Ohio. Okay, sometimes I wonder what's wrong with people. Okay, put that over to there. That's not too bad. That's going still pretty good. That's pretty bright underneath the whatchamacallit, LED. I wish I had better equipment. But your Uncle Al's kind of tired and a little nuts. Sorry this ran long. Still got to figure out on the bread. I know the yellowing. I'm trying to get it to a loaf shape. It's not doing too well. See that? Like I tell people, you want to make a loaf of bread, a sandwich bread, try it. You could use a gas oven. You don't need to do it outside. Outside's a lot harder. But still, making bread is one of the hardest things. Cookies and pastries and all that, it's fairly easy for me because I'm a cook from scratch. Catch you later, folks.